Welcome back, bright minds! Today we'll learn S, T, and U. Let's go!
Let's go!
This is the letter S. Curve around and curve again.
S. S is for sun. The sun shines brightly. Sunny S. Sunny S.
S is for snake. The snake slithers slowly.
Super S. Super S. S is for star. The star shines brightly. Sparkling S.
Let's remember S. Sun, snake, star. Which one did you like?
S.
This is the letter T. Across the top, straight down.
T. T is for turtle. The turtle walks slowly. Terrific T.
T is for train. The train says choo-choo.
Terrific T.
T is for tree.
The tree grows tall. Terrific T.
Let's remember T. Turtle, train, tree. Can you say them?
T.
This is the letter U. Down, around, and up.
U.
U is for umbrella. The umbrella keeps us dry.
Wonderful U.
U is for unicorn. The unicorn is magical.
Wonderful U. U is for up. Up. Let's go up. Up, 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 up.
Let's remember U. Umbrella, unicorn, up. Can you say them?
U. We learned S, T, and U. Great job, bright minds! Hooray! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Great job learning through and through!
Great learning today. Keep smiling, keep learning. See you next time, bright minds.
Keep smiling!
Like and subscribe for more fun. Next time, V, W, and X. See you soon, bright minds.
See you soon, bright minds!